If you ask most people, how many seasons does Malaysia have? They'll say two. Well, I say four. Malaysia's real four seasons. We Americans, we be like, we got four seasons: spring, summer, fall, winter. That's cute. Meanwhile, in Malaysia, we got hot season, May to September, rainy season, November to March. Then we have durian season part one, June to August. Durian season part two, November to January. Yeah, spring? Yeah, we eat that. Fall, we can smell it coming. This is the king of all fruit. This is Malaysia. And while it's as exciting as it might seem, I literally can't stand it. It's too much durian, too much durian, too much durian. My wife is killing me.